Most Mexicans will tell you that the best cuisine in their country is found in the southern state of Oaxaca. Oaxaca, excuse me, Oaxaca. So I met my buddy Omar who knows food, and we're gonna get the best dishes in the country. Are you excited?
I can't wait, I'm ready, let's go.
That's so funny right there.
That right there is called happiness.
Man, that's so good.
Right? It's so good and you're so happy that it happened to you because it's great.
Oaxaca is both the name of the state and the city, and honestly speaking, this is the Mexico that I've been waiting to visit for all my life. After spending a few days frolicking around town, I can say with confidence that it's one of the best cities in all of Latin America. It pretty much has everything that you could possibly enjoy in a city, but today we're gonna focus on the food because it is just that incredible. In all of Mexico, everybody says here has the best cuisine. Why?
I think it's because of the biodiversity. We have a lot of microclimates that cause a great variation in the ingredients. So we have a lot to work with.
Oaxacan cuisine is based on staples such as corn, bean, and lots of chili peppers, but one key ingredient that makes it so unique is chocolate because the region is scattered with cacao farms. Chocolate is often drank in a hot preparation with spices, as well as it's used in the most famous Oaxacan dish called mole. So before I came to Oaxaca, every Mexican person told me that I have to try the mole. That's like the best dish here. Omar, what is mole?
Mole is a paste that is made basically out of chilies.
So we're at a restaurant now that specializes in mole?
Yes, Restaurant Coronita, very traditional, and they have the best mole sampler, I would say, because they have all of the moles ready and available every day.
So we're trying many different kinds right now.
We're trying 7, the main 7 moles from Oaxaca. They all have different colors, they all have different textures, and they all have different flavors, and of course they have different ingredients. The main ingredient in a mole is the chile, and this is my favorite type of mole. Sesame seeds, raisins, olives, almonds. So if you're local, you don't really need silverware or nothing. You use a fresh tortilla, calientita, and you just use it as a scoop.
And show me how it's done. Take a big bite for me.
Like that.
Before this, I only have mole with chocolate in it. In the States, that's kind of what they do, but I didn't realize there's so many other flavors in a bowl, and it's just so good. So it looks like I got nail polish on, but it comes from the mole. And apparently it's common, right?
Yeah, it's called happiness.
Well, happiness. There we go. Omar, what's the next stop on this food journey?
The next up is the best tostadas de salchicha de Oaxaca. Let's see why.
Okay, I'm gonna see why. A tostada is a flat or bowl-shaped tortilla that is deep fried or toasted and extra crispy. The one you can find at this street vendor is as unique as they come. That's pretty colorful.
¿Cómo está tu papá?
¿Te gusta?
Yeah, good.
Muy bueno.
Look at the texture of that guacamole. Poquita para las tres. It's a tostada with lettuce, Oaxacan sausage, which is red, tomato, onion slices, a very, very creamy avocado, guacamole sauce, and salsa. So the key is 2 bites at once.
Dude, I'm so full already, man.
You might want to remove your face mask because it's going to get all...
This
Ready?
is a really good looking tostada.
2 bites.
That's impossible, but let's take a bite.
Go. 1. Go for the second one. There you go.
Napkin.
What happiness.
What happened?
There you go.
Thank you. Oh my God, that is good. Is it unique to Oaxaca or to this specific stand?
Oaxaca.
Oaxaca. After shoving my face with moles and tostadas, I'm in dire need of a beverage. We headed to a local market and Omar introduced me to a drink I've never heard of. Tahate.
It's a very refreshing drink that we drink during the day. It has cacao, corn, it's roasted, and then they mix it by hand with cold water.
Cheers. Cheers, man. I've never seen a drink that looks like this before.
One of my favorite drinks. It tastes better than it looks.
In a way, it's kind of like chocolate milk, but not really. This is made with clean water, right? I guess I'll find out in about 3 hours. Too many of those experiences.
Make it 1 hour.
For the next course of the day, we headed into one of the best restaurants in Oaxaca.
This is your lucky day because we were able to find some of these things for you. It's a flying ant that just come out once a year during the beginning of the rainy season in Oaxaca.
What's the deal with bugs in Mexico in general?
I don't know. I think we were very creative before when we didn't have no TV or nothing to get entertained. We'd just like find ways to entertain ourselves, and sometimes we just like grab things from the floor and eat them. It's a very particular flavor, totally different than the chapulín, the grasshoppers, but it's delicious. What?
Flying ants, chicatanas. Oh man, they're crunchy. They don't have much of a taste, honestly. Oh yes.
I hope you're hungry, guys.
All this food looks amazing. I don't even know where to start.
So let's go for this one, no?
Yeah.
Chocolata,
So we watched them make it in the kitchen. This has like 8 different ingredients inside.
chile Tostada, which is a very particular type of chile from the coast. This stuff right here, it's pear that they brought from the mountains. A little bit of radish, sea salt, cilantro criollo. It's a perfect combination. You close your eyes, I think you can imagine being at the beach right now. It's just like one slurp.
One slurp?
Bienvenido.
Christ. I can't even comprehend all those flavors. Oh my god. I need like another minute to think about what I just ate. Everything just tastes so fresh in that bite, you know?
As fresh as this. This is quelites ensalada. Quelites are all these different types of herbs that grow locally up in the mountains.
good.
There's different herbs here such as watercress, chepiche,
Right.
grasshoppers of course because we're in Oaxaca.
Lots of grasshoppers in Mexico. I figured that out quickly.
Dress is made out of hierba santa and chipotle mayonnaise with grasshoppers too. So
Oh man, that's good. Grasshoppers actually add a lot of flavor. They really do.
it is our croutons for our
croutons.
for our food. This is the best, one of the best parts of every meal in Oaxaca. El final feliz
Mezcal?
es mezcal. Mezcal is the father of tequila. That is the easiest way for you to understand it. It's a spirit that is made out of agave, made by hand, cooked underground. It's very, very important for us in our culture. So in Oaxaca we say, para todo mal mezcal, para todo bien también. For everything bad mezcal, for everything good as well.
Gracias.
Bienvenido.
Good dessert. And finally, our last stop of this Oaxacan food tour is everybody's favorite, ice cream.
25 to 35 to 50 different flavors. Anything that you can think of, they make it. This is where we come with our families for the weekends. Like on Sunday, we are right next to La Soledad Church, which is the patron saint of the city. So you come to mass and then afterwards, they'll buy you ice cream out here.
God, this menu is huge. Look at all those flavors. So it's actually more like a snow cone or a watered ice than ice cream. And it's in these little silver buckets that are sitting on ice that is covered in salt.
Oaxacan kiss, carrot, coconut, raisins, and nuts. Prickly pear with burnt milk in the bottom.
Ooh.
Oaxacan chocolates, vainilla, sorbete, mezcal.
Mezcal.
That is extremely creamy. After eating all that food, this is the best thing that I want right now.
Combination, burnt milk in the bottom and prickly pear on the top. We call it tuna.
Yeah, if
Take a
you
bite.
see tuna on the menus, it's actually just the fruit.
Oh, really?
But yeah, a lot of people are like, I don't want fish flavored ice cream.
All right, Omar, what a day that has been. I'm so full, I can't really breathe, but thank you.
It was my pleasure to show you just a little bit of everything that we have in Oaxaca. So I hope for the next time I get to show you other things.
If you guys come to Oaxaca, follow this guy. What's your Instagram?
Oaxacan.
Oaxacan. That's so easy to remember. Seriously though, the food here is absolutely amazing. I'm in heaven right now. See you guys later.
Bye.
Drew eating Oaxaca.
Okay, so we just ate mole, all different kinds of mole, and it's so good. I probably have it all over my face. It's amazing. Cool. That will work.
Actually, that was good. And then I'll pan out to see all the moles.
Okay. Wait, I want to get it on my face on purpose. Alright.
Oh, you've got a lot of that.
Alright, okay, I don't know. We're eating mole. It's all over my face in Oaxaca. Stuff is amazing. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.